So I finally finished vibe coding my application. This is called Tiberium. This is a note-taking app where people can come to the application, sign up, and they can create their own notes. Essentially, it's an alternative to Notion or Evernote. Now, you know vibe coding an app, it does take a little bit of work, right? But getting traffic, that's the harder part. Now, we just launched this application, but we are getting a lot of traffic. So going over here to our analytics, you're gonna see that we launched just a few days ago, and we have about almost 600 visitors, which is pretty good, right, for a brand new application. And scrolling down, you're gonna see that we have our traffic breakdown from a large variety of different sources. On top of that, our product is being mentioned on high traffic Reddit posts. So going to this website here, you're gonna see that under this specific thread here is receiving about 104,000 visits a month. So we're getting a lot of traffic from Reddit. Also scrolling up under the post thread, we also mentioned our comment right here. And in the first 24 hours, it has already received about 3,000 views. So I know creating a project is hard, but in this video, I'm gonna show you